Good morning and welcome back to this channel where every day at 5 a.m. in the morning there's a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Thank you so much for joining us. I am Reverend Omar Morrison and it's my pleasure to read one of my favorite passages that talk about how Christians will live. Well, if you have not yet done so, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell so that you can always stay connected to this reading from the Jamaican New Testament every day, early in the morning at 5 a.m. God bless you.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Romans chapter 12, verse 9 to 16. Una must love people with all our heart. Una love must real. Hate everything with evil and hang on tight to anything what good. Love one another like brother and sister, and una fi always put una brother and sister before una self. Una fi work hard and no lazy. Una must ever want to serve the Lord with all our heart. While una wait for the sitting them what God promised to go now, una must happy, cause una know say una go get it. When trouble take una no fi give up. Una must go and hold on strong and pray all the time. Never stop. If una church brother and church sister no have what them need, una fi share what una have with them. And una must be ever ready for taking people who travel and now know where to stay. The people them will cause una fi suffer. Una must pray for them and ask God to bless them. Always ask God to bless people. Not ask Him to do nothing bad to them. If people happy, una fi happy with them. If them a ball, una fi ball with them too. Live good with one another. No get full of yourself and feel like say una can't do certain work or talk to certain people. Instead of that, humble yourself. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.